I already got the oil filter in, so I took it apart just to show you this. I accidentally bought a non-Motorcraft filter, 2008 Ford F-250 with the 6.4 diesel. The new filter says you have to put this adapter in place. Why does it need that adapter? Well, here's why you need the adapter. It won't push down unless these are pushed down. So you push these down and then it releases and the whole thing can go down and you can put your filter on. The only reason they did that was so you can't use a Ford oil filter, because apparently the Ford oil filters, I think they must have patented this, but if you look down inside the old one, you can see that there's that pattern that's the same as the adapter that you put in. There's those 4 things, tabs that press these down so that you can actually put the thing back together. The only reason they do that is so you can use this stupid oil filter. Oh, sorry, excuse my language. I was going to put the adapter in, but then it went doink and went who knows where. I can't see it. Now if you put this on, you can't push it down. So we're going to work around that with a pick. Where is it? There it is. I'm always losing tools. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to put our pick in here to push down on one of these so that the whole thing can go down, because without pushing that down, this doesn't go down. So that's the whole reason they have that adapter there. I don't like extra pieces of plastic floating around in there. That's why I usually buy the Ford filters, but for some reason I thought this one would fit without modification. So I'll put this pick in here, push down on that little tab, push the whole thing down, and then carefully put the top on so that I can screw it in with it still pressed down. And then you tighten it to, it says 40 Newton meters, what the heck? Anyway, it's plastic, so don't tighten it too hard. Oh, that snap was the filter popping into the cap. That wasn't me breaking the up-down thing. Snapping into the cap, meaning these tabs snap into the cap, so when you loosen the filter cap next time, the whole filter will come out with it. So as soon as this thing stops, you're done.